Hi guys, it's me Mehrima. So today we're drawing a papaya. So let's start. So we need this tape and just circle it. Oh. Okay. And now we're gonna use my mom's 2D like my mom gave me. So let's do like this. Oh, yeah, that's good. And now we need to give this. Oh, I need this too. And okay, this looks good. Okay, now we're done with this. And now we have to give the stamp over here. Okay. This always starts with this. Okay, and now we're gonna done. And this is great. And now we have to erase it. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, this is going perfect. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay. And then now we have to give this. And now we have to give the straight line. Okay. Okay, that's good. Cool. Okay. And now we have to give another straight line. Okay, oh no, I go outside a little bit. So guys, now it's time to color. So let's put our things back and time to color. We need, Okay, so now we have to border the green. So let's start. Okay, it's starting to be good. Okay, it's looking great. Okay. So guys, today is my first time. It's my first time to do drawing. I never have been do drawing. Nice. Okay, this is good. Okay, and now we have to give the other side of it. Okay, that looks great. Okay. And now we're gonna do like this. Just get the border again. Oh no, okay. Okay, that looks great. Cool. And there we go. Okay. And a little bit more and more. Okay. Okay, that looks great. Okay. 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 Okay, now do another side. Okay. Okay, now it looks great. Time to put this back. There's something in my nose. Okay, now we have to take brown. and just color this in. No, we have to give the border first. Because my mom learned me how to give the borders, yeah. And when I always go outside, so that's why my mom learned me how to give the borders. We're using brown, now it's done. And now we're gonna use orange. Okay, that looks great. Wow. The papaya is turning great. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Wow. That looks so good. Okay. Wow. And I'm going to blend it with yellow. So if there's any white, I'm going to blend it with yellow. Okay, this is fun. Wow. Oh no, there's a lot of white on you. I'm going to hide it. My mom has been teaching for like days. And I finally did it. So that's why my mom is a good artist. Yeah, I know. My mom is a good artist. Okay, wow. Okay, now we're going to do another side of it. And now we're gonna just do like this, like we already do, like in the middle. Okay, that's good. Wow. Now we're gonna do the last line. I'm gonna blend it with yellow. Wow. This papaya is turning great. Like my sister do, I was so upset of my sister because he draws so nicely. So I tried to do a papaya by myself and it turned great. Okay, we're done. And now we're gonna blend it with yellow. Did I say you? Da 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 da. Wow, this papaya is great. Blending with yellow. I love blending. Wow, this turns great. At my school, he led me to write a papaya, and I didn't have anything, so that's why my teacher wrote it for me, and he said practice more, and I'm practicing more, and I'm so excited. My mom has taught me for like years ago how to write a papaya. Okay, nice. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna blend it with this green. So that means I got light green here. And light. We're blending it. Blending. Okay, and now we're gonna do another side. Whoa, this looks so great. Okay, now now we're gonna blend it with yellow. I mean lemon. This is lemon color. And a long time ago, my mom bought this color, but it was like mixed together. Okay, that's really good. Whoa! I'm a cool artist. Yeah, I know. in the last New Year, my mom gave me this bracelet. It's so cool. And he also gave my sisters also. My sister was so upset, so that's why my mom he also gave him a bracelet, like me. And it looks great. Ooh. Wow. That's so great. Wow. Yeah. Oh, this turned out great. Okay, now we're gonna do the green, dark green again. And just blend. Okay, and now color. Okay, and now we're done with the coloring, but we need to write something. MEHRI. What? Oh yeah, I forgot. Almost. MA. Okay. Bye guys, thanks for watching our video. If you like our video, please subscribe and click the bell button.